Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you have not subscribed it, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of printer cannot be contacted over the network. So we will fix it today. So let's start this. So firstly, you have to just go to the services in your system. So you have to just type services in the search bar and go to the services. And in services, you have to just find out remote access auto connection manager. So you have to scroll down and find out the remote access auto connection manager. Here it is. You have to just double click on it, and at here you have to just change the startup type. As you can see, by default it is on manual, so you have to just change it to automatic. And in automatic you have to just click on start, and after click on start you can check this status. Service status is running. So after this you have to just move to log on, and in log on you have to just change it to local system account to this account. So you have to select this option rather than this one. So after this you have to just click on apply, and you have to just click on OK. And after this you have to just right click on the services and click on restart. So when you click on restart, so it will basically restart it, and your issue will be fixed. And after this you have to just restart your printer and your problem will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.